Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Prius headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new H11 bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Prius is turned off and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. You'll need to access the headlight assembly, which is located behind the front bumper. This method avoids removing the entire bumper, saving you time and effort. To gain access, you'll need to remove a few plastic clips that hold the fender liner in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pop them out. Once the clips are removed, gently pull back the fender liner. This will expose the back of the headlight assembly. Now, locate the electrical connector attached to the bulb and twist it counterclockwise to unlock it. With the connector removed, you can now carefully pull out the old headlight bulb. Be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Once the new bulb is in place, reattach the electrical connector by twisting it clockwise until it locks. Finally, secure the fender liner back with the plastic clips. After replacing the bulb, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both high and low beams. Double-check that all the plastic clips are securely reinstalled to prevent the fender liner from flapping. This simple process can save you money on labor costs. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's a quick and easy fix you can do yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.